A lot of things have been happening since I uploaded my last video, which I'll explain in another one. But for now, I want to show you these new LED bulbs from Auxito that they sent me, which huge thanks to them. I'm excited to see how much of a difference they make in the truck, because I run them in the Mustang and I've had great luck with them. I can't complain at all. Now, it is a different style housing that I have in the Mustang versus the truck. Mustang has an actual projector housing, which is more ideal for LED bulbs as far as other people driving around you. But LEDs, even in a halogen housing, do have great output. They look a lot cleaner, I think. Personally, I think that they look a lot cleaner than traditional incandescent bulbs. But we're going to go over that on the truck, and I'll show you how easy it is to swap these out with the LEDs. Now this one right here, that is the low beam on the cateye Silverados. That's the one I'm going to be swapping out for this particular video. Eventually I'm going to do all of these, the DRL, low beam, high beam, fog light, just so that it all matches properly and looks okay. But I wanted to show you this as reference for before. So in order to remove the headlights off of these Silverados, it's super easy. You literally just pull this up, pull it out. That's the hard part of these. You'll want to twist this down so that this clears all the way. You literally just pull it off, and then you're free to just pull the headlight out. As such, this line will get in the way for the hood release, which I believe is what that's for. But then your bulb, super easy to get to, it's right there. You just pull this pigtail off, turn this out, and then you put in your LED. Now as far as the actual packaging goes, these are actually packaged extremely well. They do send you these gloves too, just so you don't get anything on these diodes or LEDs, which makes sense. Can't blame them there. You don't want to get your fingers on these because it will burn them out quicker with the oils on there. But for me, I'm not going to use them personally, because all I'm going to do is just put this in, turn it, put in the new connector, then we're good to go. Something else I like to really just point out on these LEDs and makes them super nice, it has its own fan that's self-contained in the actual bulb housing, instead of having external wiring with a fan controller and all that. Because usually these are all multiple pieces that you have to put together, then click together, which is what my old ones were on the 03 Mustang from super bright LEDs back in the day. These are a little bit more compact of a unit, so it should fit great in here, and I shouldn't have any issues. LED, incandescent, this looks so much better. I will say though, you do have to clearance back here where the bulb actually goes in, but it does fit in there. You just have to cut out some of this support here for the headlights. It's not going to hurt anything though. But that light focus, that's much cleaner than the incandescent bulb. Now I just got one more to go. So in order for the low beam to actually fit with the way the fan is, this needs to be cut out, so the fan will slip in there, and then you can fit the headlight back in to the proper spot. I made the mistake of trimming the little legs that go in here, which won't affect anything long term, but it was something that I probably didn't have to do. So I'm going to take a step drill bit, drill this out, and I'll show you what it looks like. So I was mistaken. You do have to cut these tabs. There are these tabs on the bottom of the headlight that go into those two grooves over there so that it can sit. You have to clearance this, which I just use a step drill bit. This offers no real, it's not going to hurt anything to cut this out, so I really don't feel bad doing it. When I do the high beams, hopefully it's a smaller fan because it's a little tight. So that's how that looks, and it'll fit right in there. I'll show you how that looks. That was back in, fitment's still good. Let's see what they look like. Not bad. Not nearly as painful as I expected them to be. And it's not a bad look. Mighty bright for what we're doing. So there you have it. The LEDs, they look fantastic. I'm excited to see how they hold up. My only gripe with them is just the fitment due to the fan being larger. Now, that may be my fault. I'm not gonna badmouth Auxito because of the application. It could just be, I mean, they didn't design Chevys from 2004 to utilize LEDs with a fan on them. That's just part of it. That's the aftermarket world. Stuff needs modified to fit sometimes. Overall, I'm very happy with what I got. I do highly recommend Auxito. As I said before, my Mustang's been running their bulbs for a while now. No issues whatsoever, can't complain. Now, if you guys would like to get a set for your vehicle, click the link down below. It'll take you to my referral link. It should save you guys some money, help out a little bit with the way inflation's going. Every dollar counts. I'll be making more videos, like off and on. I have no strict schedule anymore. The way life's been, I'm way past that anymore. So I have a lot of plans. I got a lot of house stuff to announce at some point. I got a lot going on with that. It's a lot. Life is a lot lately. Just everything in the last couple of years, like life has been crazy. And I can't complain. It's been great. I can't complain at all. There's been a lot of bad stuff that's happened, a lot of good stuff too. But that's how life goes. So anyways, I'm going to stop rambling on. I'm going to wrap up the video. Like I said, if you guys want to get some of your own lights from Auxito, check them out. They're a great company to work with. Everybody I've talked to there has been phenomenal, and I have no complaints. Hopefully get the rest of the lights changed over to LED at some point and get it all to match, which will make it look great. And then I'll do more updates in the future as time goes on and my schedule frees up finally. And yeah, if you like what you saw, you want to see more, hit subscribe and stick around. Eventually I'll come back and post more. So I'll see you guys in the next one.
We should make them think we're filming this live. I just like thought